Welcome to a world where convenience and tech come together in harmony. Today, we're diving into the features of the Ultenic T10 self-emptying robot, vacuum and mop. This ingenious device combines vacuuming and mopping into one efficient process, while its self-emptying function takes the hassle out of cleaning. Plus, it's smart home compatible, fitting seamlessly into your high-tech lifestyle. Imagine a world where your home is effortlessly clean day in and day out. Ready to see what's inside the box? Stay tuned. Now let's crack open this box and see the future of home cleaning. As we delve into this package, it's clear that Ultenic has put considerable thought into the presentation. The box itself is sturdy, promising protection during transit. Inside, each component is meticulously arranged, hinting at the precision and attention to detail that's likely gone into the product's engineering. First up, we have the vacuum itself. It's sleek, modern, and feels robust to the touch. A quick look underneath reveals the advanced brush system designed to pick up everything from fine dust to larger debris. Next, we find the charging dock. It's compact yet solid, with an easy-to-understand interface. It's also where the self-emptying magic happens thanks to the dust bag nestled inside. Speaking of the dust bag, it's large enough to handle multiple cleaning sessions, a handy feature for those busy weeks when vacuuming takes a backseat. Moving along, we discover the mop attachment. It's easy to install and comes with a washable pad, which is a nice touch. It's clear that Ultenic has considered the convenience of its users in every aspect of this design. Finally, we have the user manual. It's concise, well-illustrated, and easy to follow, a testament to Ultenic's commitment to user-friendliness. It's refreshing to see a company that values clear communication as much as innovative design. Quite impressive, isn't it? But the true test of a product is in its performance. The Ultenic T10 self-emptying robot. Vacuum and mop certainly looks promising, but how does it perform in your home? Imagine the convenience of having a device that not only vacuums but also mops your floors while you sit back and relax. A time saver, a hassle-free cleaner, the Ultenic T10 may just be the perfect addition to your smart home. Think about the countless hours you could save on cleaning tasks, hours that could be spent doing things you love. Picture coming home to pristine floors, all thanks to this incredible piece of technology. But don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to try the Ultenic T10 for yourself and experience the potential benefits it has to offer. If you've enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop us a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.